Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to find live videos or live streams going on at the present time on the YouTube app on iOS or Android devices. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the YouTube app and then do a search. Once you've already performed a search, go ahead and select the three-dot icon on the top right, and then select Search Filters. Where it says Features on the right side, select Live, and then you would select Apply, and then it would perform another search, again based on your earlier search credentials or preferences, and then you would see a list of different live streams going on. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.